Had to top off the camera. Oh. All right. Let me get a picture real quick. Yep. Yeah, that's cool. You put it in the with the heads-up display.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Let me see if I can get a picture.
Yeah, look at, I like the red strobes.
I'll do a quick video I can use on something else.
God, I wonder who this guy is that does the lights.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks pretty good though.
Yeah, I'm responsible.
All right. Let's go.
I feel like you're not going to post that.
Forgot which plane was mine.
Huh?
Forgot which plane was mine.
That looks sick. You got it.
Yeah, it does.
I love how I did yours and then I redid mine with the white way. I just love mine. It looks good though.
I can tell that you left your wheels out.
Yeah. I don't really care. Ray,
Yes.
did you get an afterburner? Or did you get a hand warmer?
No, I'm good. Why doesn't mine turn? What the heck?
Because I have my rudder speed at 150.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll let you go a little ahead.
Into the fairy bouquet! God, my butt is so bright. This is the older butt too.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, those red strobes look so good.
It's easier to see with them on the bottom too.
I'm doing fast track in the
All right, I'll go behind you.
Into the fairy bouquet.
I have no idea where you are. No idea where you are. Oh, there you are. Okay.
I'm just trying to fly fast. So keep an eye out. Because when it's going up like that at this time of day, like I can't. It looks like it's standing still.
I'm going to do a loop right here in front of us. Around the moon.
I'm doing a fast track from the left.
I got to finish the loop, dude. Okay. Yeah. There you go.
It's hard to see, man.
It's good. I have no issue with the lights.
Well, yours are like flashy. That's not scale.
The ones that I'm seeing the best are the solid. The nav lights.
I can only feel when I'm flying over there because of the sunset. The sunset's pretty, man. I'm doing a high alpha.
Okay.
This canopy looks cool. I can barely see them, but when I do see them, they're cool. My bottom nav lights are really easy to see too. I like that.
I think I'm going to repaint the outside a little better because the paint is really thin on the outside. Some formation real quick.
Yeah.
Time remaining.
It's kind of getting hard to see.
Hey Nate,
What?
you mind if I use one of your flathead screwdrivers?
Sure, put it back.
Alright. Thanks.
Oh yeah, the way I did yours, they shine up on the rudders.
Yeah, they do. Yours do too, but mine I can see them on the rudder.
30 seconds.
That looks so cool.
It does.
Only if the lights are the same.
I'm glad that they're not because now mine's a little different than yours. Get a little further out over the turf.
Over the turf?
Yes, and then I'll come closer to you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I haven't been flying much throttle, so I'm good on time.
Same. I can't see the airplane. I'm just flying off the lights.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I could see it kind of.
Those flashing lights help a lot.
Yeah, yours is flashing. You can't really tell they're flashing because of their bouncing on. Let's go on the ground.
It's pretty close.
Whoa!
Wasn't intentional, but it looked cool. Coming in.
Gear down.
Alright, formation landing.
We'll try. I'm going to be closest to us.
Oh, that looks so cool. Can't see anything but that light.
Nice. Beautiful, Nate.
Now that's how it's done.
Good job.
Hi, mate.
All right, that's a good way to end the day.
One minute.
I can't see the
over.
airplane, I'm just looking at that light. That's why landing this thing right now is sketchy. All you see is that damn light.
You just see the landing light.
I think I'm going to change mine. Because the real one has 2 lights on the nose, and I think I'm going to take 2 of the smaller LEDs.
But ones from the F4 would probably be good.
Yeah.
Would they be too bright or would they be dim?
No, they're the same as what's on here right now. They're the same white lights as the one on the bottom here.
No, I mean the F4, the E-Flight F4. You got a mosquito on your head.